Good morning. Welcome to MB Option Traders. This is Shiva. Day-73 up 2.5 lakhs to 6 lakhs second. You can see I just entered the trade before I took one more trade. Okay, guys, market open. Try to continue bullish and taking resistance. Same place again taking resistance. I'm expecting continue fall and break the evening star in 1 minute time frame. You can see 5-minute time frame. This is a major resistance. You can see try to bullish and take resistance. And previously the mark as a major resistance. Thus I mark as the black zone and same near to it creating a reversal hammer. So expecting continue fall. That's why we enter. And this zone going to our first target. Once again. Okay, this is going to our second target. Mostly we can expect a continue fall from the market. And you can say try to bullish. But above the candle we gonna exit until we gonna hold the trade. The first trade also we exited before the candle close because I'm in driving, so that's why. Okay, you can see it try to pause, so I'm gonna update my SR exact just below. I don't want okay, you can see it's already gonna good profit, 6-7 plus profit. Still we're not booking. I said we wanna hold for our winning trades, but we wanna cut only our last trades only. You can see it trying to bullish, so that's why I'm exiting this particular trade. We wanna re-enter the same time once it give me confirmation. Okay, that's why I'm updating my trial sir. Okay, you can see our trial got traded. You can see just give me there are two trades. I said previously I entered one trade and this is the second trade and this is the final position. Now I'll let me enter first. Okay, you can see I just entered trade. As I previously we want re-enter trade once it give me confirmation of bearishness, so that's why we enter this particular trade. And below I'm gonna paste my SL. Let me paste my SL. It's too close, that's why first I paste SL, then I'll give you analysis behind the trade. Like you can see I just paste my SL. You can see as previous said, I try to bullish and take in distance. Again same place I can take distance and expecting continue fall, and this 200 moment are our first target. So first day low break, we can expect a good target of downside. This is one of our second target, and it will continue all. We can expect more target, and this one our third target. Okay, you can see try to fall. Again try to pull it, so our trial is RSL trigger. So you can see, let me show you this is our books and entry and exit price and the final position. Okay, I just enter once again. So previously I'm looking for still I'm looking for the bearish trade only. We are expecting a bearishness pending in market. Okay, you can see previously we took trade on Sensex. You can see backed up to more bearish. I continue to try to bullish again fall. Same again the consolidation pair taking distance. Right now expecting you wanna break the consolidation. Once break, you expect this one our first target. It become into 5-minute time frame. You can see once it's gonna break this low, we expect continue to fall. This one our first target, and this one our second target. And if we continue fall, we expect this one also. Let's wait for candle close. Okay, you can see market start falling and you're giving our target also. So that's why I updated my trial in -1. So might be chance for a support from the day opening. That's why I updated trial. Let's wait for candle close. And say it too close to our okay, already hit our first target day low. So might be chance we expected a support and expect upside also. In case it's gonna break, we can expect this 200 a good target. Let's wait for candle. Mostly it has to be fall. In case it's upside, we're not gonna lose much. We start update our try sell. Okay, you can say the 2 plus hit our trial sell. Okay, our trial got triggered, and this is the entry and exit, and the final position back to green. Okay, let me enter first. Okay, entry, you can see as a previous set, I'm still looking for a bearish trade only. In banknifty already given our target, so that's why enter in Sensex. You can see Sensex same following the banknifty pattern, try to bullish, same previous resistance taking and try to fall and try to break the previous green candle. Once it break, we can expect this 200 on first target and then go to day low and our second target. This one to the final target. If continue fall, we can expect it in bearishness and this going to our last target. Let's wait for candle close. Okay, you can see the trade just started. That's why updating my trial in case it takes support. That's why. Okay, as said, it taking support from the 200 EMA. That's why I updated our SL and our SL got triggered. And this is the entry and exit position and the final position. Okay, let me enter once. Okay, you can see I just enter the trade. I'm still looking for the bearish trade, and you can see after exited after we enter, it fall and take continue bullishness after our exit and same resistance it taking iron resistance and creating a red candle. So that's why enter. Once day low break, we expect a good target. From day low, this is going to our second and this is going to our third target. The high chance for a bearishness trend, so this is going to our third target. Okay, you see the expected is going to be fall, but it try to bullish and breaking the zone. That's why exiting market price. You can see it open gap down, so high chance going to be to continue fall on option chart. So that's why exit. And you can see spots are also trying to break upset. And once you break, we can expect a upside rally also. Once you give me confirmation, we're going to enter the same trade. But until now, I'm not going to trade. Let me show you the. Okay, these are the entry and exit points and the final position. Okay, you can see I just enter the trade. Okay, you can see I entered a small quantity compared with the previously because whenever we entered in Sensex, we try to take 200 quantity, but I'm planning to carry forward as a position trade. That's why I entered. You can see market went up and fall and continue went up and take a resistance and fail. You can see. So I'm expecting market going to be fall continue once it break this zone. So that's why I'm planning to carry forward as a position and this is the first target. And if in case if tomorrow gap down, we can expect this one also second target. And once it break the yesterday consolidation, and we can expect this one also one more target. So why enter? Because whenever the peg breaker come, the market going to be move opposite way. So that's why enter. And you can say this is a daily candle. So once it's gonna break the day low, it's gonna create as a reversal hammer, and we expect a continue fall. And this one the first, and this one second target. Okay, you can see we expect it going to be fall, but it try to take support and into bullish. So that's why closing the position. Okay, you can see this is the entry and exit position and the final position. Okay, let me enter first. Okay, you can see I just enter. You can see there is analysis. You can see I entered 120 tonic, you can say I'm expecting it's going to create a head and shoulder pattern and break this zone, and we expect a good downside fall. But before that same high, it creating a bearish engulfing and creating a trend line. So right to break the trend line, that's why we enter and expecting a continuous fall. And just give me again. Okay, you can say will I alert, place a alert. Once it break zone, we can expect a good target, and I'm gonna update my trial SL, and you can say this is gonna first target, and we expected this got our second target. Second, let me place as a blue to visible more, and you can see, and this is going to our third target, because as we said, we're gonna carry this as a position, and we can expect a good bearishness, and we can expect a gap down also. In case it break the dialogue, we can expect a good bearishness on tomorrow also continue. So we'll wait until it confirmation, and above gonna break, we're gonna exit. Let me place my alert above. In case it market move upside and break the above, we're gonna exit it until it consolidate downside. We're gonna hold the trade. You can say I just raising alert to know in case it gonna market go upside. Whenever I carry position, I don't look at market. That's why I place alerts. Okay, I can say it's alert triggered what we place our SL position. So you can say it taking support from the trend line, so might be expected a upside movement also. But market too volatile, reason past food has continue trending this, so might be chance for a pass. It taking some consolidation, then we can expect a any side one side move. We can expect a bearishness or a bullishness. So I'm expecting market going to consolidate today and tomorrow. You can see these are the order books. I already in multiple trades, and this is the final entry and exit. I feel like already over trade. This is the final position. We made a loss of 7,500 loss because we already continue profitable past 6 days or 7 days. Today you can see, I want to make it clear. In the first trade we lost, and second trade already given good profit of 6,000 profit. Still we're not booking, and then took a small loss, and in this trade we given a 30,000 profit, still not book. The reason, whenever you follow about the booking small profits, you're not gonna build the mindset of holding the big trades. If I start booking small trades from tomorrow, I never gonna capacity hold the long trade. You can see whenever the market going to be opposite side, I'll try to trigger my SL. Are it going to be loss? I'll cut my losses. But whenever market going to give me good profit, I'll hold as much as possible. Means you can see at the first two trade also, if given a good, if I hold or hook the particular that both trades, we gonna end up with a 20,000 profit. Still we not book because I follow rules. As my rules, whenever market going to be give 1:1, I'll gonna trial my SL. Or if market going to be break my entry position, then I'll go to cost my SL. I'll try to trial my SL everything and every confirmation. This our book, and I'll wait for my target also. But it come to SL, I'll try to accept my SL. If market confirmation it going to be opposite side, I'll try to give my SL. I'll not cut my losses and book losses and looking for the next trade. You can see the starting trades we continue loss, but we still make it profitable. They end up with a loss, but it's not a big loss. You can see it's just 7th. In a matter of one trade, I can recover this money, but this not mindset. Recovering the previous losses, focusing on the covering the losses, it's never gonna work. You have to be practical about it. Come to trading, you have to know the risk reward whenever you trade. I know my risk reward. In area I expected it's going to be bearish, that's why I took bearish trades. But market give me bullish trade. I know it's going to bullish, still I not enter because as my free analysis I looking for a bearish trade, so I took bearish trade. Middle I try to enter one bullish trade, but it's not gonna went well, so that's why I cut the trade. So I want to make it clear, whenever market give you good target, hold it, and market saying it's going to be opposite, just cut your losses. And you can see if I want, I can enter one more trade. But I'm highly confident market going to be consolidate today and tomorrow. Mostly I'm going to trade tomorrow also. For reason is going to consolidate. Reason past 2 days market going to continue trending, so it needed support or need a consolidation to continue a trend, either upside or downside. So I'm expecting going to be consolidation. That's why I'm not going to trade for today and tomorrow. Chalo, done for the day. See you all next video.